Yeah, still 20 December. I got the excess dirt into the bucket. Look how much damn dirt that is from the first pole. This one's about half as much. The far one over there is about 2/3 as much. I let it sit for 6 months so it would settle alongside the pole during the rains, and it did. All the piles dropped down about 25%, but just a damn mess. Swepco will not clean up their mess unless it's your yard. Then they might do something. If it's what they consider commercial, they won't do anything. But anyway, I will dump my bucket. Do the other two. Can't do anything with the backhoe other than haul the dirt. You gotta use shovels to get it into the bucket. There's no getting around it. And even though it's been getting rained on for 6 months, it's not concrete hard dirt. It's firm, but it's not super hard. And I doubt it, but if the dirt settles below grade, I'll go back with some cold asphalt and top off the opening, call it done. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.